Welcome to PSA 2 Model 1. In that, another topic is a primitive network. Primitive network is a set of unconnected element is called primitive network. We represent the primitive network in two forms. One is network represented in impedance form and network represented in admittance form. The network represented in impedance form is as shown. Here voltage source in series with the impedance and which is connected across the whole network is connected across VPQ. Okay, and network represented in admittance form shown like this. Here current source, okay, current source which is in parallel with YPQ. Okay, so this parallel network is connected across VPQ. Here EPQ is a source voltage in series with the PQ, and VPQ which is voltage across element PQ, and IPQ current through element PQ. This is the current through element PQ, and JPQ which is source current in parallel with element PQ, and ZPQ which is a self impedance of element PQ, and YPQ which is self admittance of element PQ. We know that from Ohm's law, the voltage is equal to current into impedance. This law is applicable for AC network, or in general form voltage is equal to current into impedance. Okay, so current can be represented by I and impedance can be represented by Z, which is equal to V. This is one of the equation. Okay, if you rearrange the equation, then current is equal to voltage by impedance. 1 divided by impedance, which is equal to admittance. Okay, so current I is equal to voltage into admittance. Okay, voltage into admittance. Therefore, the performance equation in impedance form, which is given by here VPQ plus EPQ plus VPQ is equal to current into impedance. The current through the network, which is IPQ, the impedance ZPQ. This is one of the equation. Next, by taking admittance network, considering Ohm's law, here VPQ into YPQ is equal to, here the two currents will get added, so IPQ plus JPQ. This is the performance equation in admittance form. But what is JPQ? JPQ is equal to minus VPQ into YPQ. JPQ also current, but it is a source current. It is minus VPQ into YPQ. So these two equations, performance equation, can be written in general form as shown. E bar plus V bar is equal to Z, this is a matrix, and I bar. Z is a matrix and I is a matrix. I is a column matrix, Z is a matrix. Z is a n cross n matrix. And this equation can be written in the general form I bar plus J bar is equal to matrix Y into matrix V bar. Okay, so Y is a matrix, n cross n matrix, V is a column matrix. The next topic is formation of Y bus by singular transformation method. The bus admittance matrix Y bus can be obtained using bus impedance matrix A as well as performance equation. The performance equation of the primitive network is I bar J bar is equal to Y V bar. Okay, take it as equation 1. Pre-multiplying above equation by A transpose, because we are using the bus admittance bus incidence matrix to calculate bus admittance matrix. So we have to multiply the whole equation by A transpose. So A transpose into I bar plus A transpose into J bar is equal to A transpose into Y into V bar. Take it as equation 2. But A transpose into I bar is a vector in which each element is the algebraic sum of the currents to the network elements terminating at a bus. We know that from Kirchhoff's current law, the sum of the currents at the junction or node or terminal is equal to 0. Therefore, A transpose I is equal to 0 and A transpose J gives algebraic sum of the source current at each bus and equals to the vector of impressed bus current. So A transpose J is equal to I bus. Okay, so A transpose J, which is equal to the vector of impressed bus current. Take it as equation 4. Now substituting equation 3 and 4 in equation 2, we get I bus bar is equal to A transpose Y V bar. Okay, take it as equation 5. Next, the power into the network. The power into the network, which is given by I bus conjugate transpose into E bus bar. The sum of the power in the primitive network, this is the power into the network, this is the power into the network, and sum of the powers power in primitive network, which is given by J conjugate transpose into V. Here J is a current, V is a voltage. Here I bus is a current and E bus is a voltage. Voltage into current is a power. The power in the network, okay, which is equal to sum of the powers. Okay, sum of the powers, or power in the network, which is and interconnected network, must be equal. So we are going to write I bus conjugate transpose E bus is equal to J conjugate transpose V bar. Take it as equation 6. Taking conjugate and transpose of equation 4, the equation becomes A transpose conjugate transpose, comma, J conjugate transpose is equal to I bus conjugate transpose. Take it as equation 7. Okay, substituting equation 7 in equation 6, we get, instead of I bus transpose, okay, you substitute this one. So we get E bus into A transpose conjugate transpose, J transpose, conjugate transpose is equal to J transpose conjugate transpose, J conjugate transpose into V bar. So A transpose into A transpose conjugate transpose, which becomes A conjugate, and J conjugate transpose here, J conjugate transpose here cancels. So it remains with A conjugate E bus is equal to V. Okay, so here A is a real matrix. For real matrix, A conjugate is equal to A. So this equation becomes A into E bus is equal to V. Take it as equation 8. The performance equation can be obtained by using equation 8 and equation 5. Equation 8, we had E bus into A is equal to V dash. This is the equation A. And equation 5, I bus is equal to A transpose Y V bar. Okay, combining these two or substituting this equation in equation 5, we get I bus is equal to A transpose Y E bus into A. Okay, this is a bar. Okay, so on rearranging, we get I bus is equal to divided by E bus. By taking E bus on other side, left hand side, we get I bus divided by E bus is equal to A transpose Y A. Okay, so from Ohm's law, we know that current I is equal to V into Y. Current divided by voltage is equal to Y. Correct? By rearranging this. So we get Y bus. Okay, this becomes Y bus. Y bus is equal to A transpose Y A. This is how we obtain the bus admittance matrix using bus incidence matrix as well as performance equation. Thank you.